family is watching Fortnite. The whole place is flooded. There's so much excitement. Hey family! For the support in our last video. Ready. We are well equipped to do this today. Everyone gave me their recommendation, their suggestion, what needs to happen in order for the magic to work. Oh, Jesus. And got it this time. So, let's get into it. You're prepared. You're always unprepared. Listen. Let's just say my hair feels amazing. And I don't even want to put anything on it. Oh, Jesus. I'm sweating already. This is why I don't. Shout out to the people that do hair ball. We're going to put gel on right here. Okay? Plenty wet. See that? Plenty wet. We got plenty of water in the hair. And I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner in. Crown of the subscribers that have found me. I love you too. Thank you. So you need the lifter. So it feels so good. I can do rubber bands on my daughter's hair. Just can't do them on my hair. It is for those that are new here. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here at CarterEats, where I'm Lisa, your host, where we do more than just eat. We have reaction videos, wig ministries, lives, cook with me, eat with me, and ooh, look at it, y'all. It's just coming along so nicely. I watch my son play Fortnite and then come back and show you our finished look. So let's, okay, ready. We need to add some extreme behind the S-curl. Are we not? Clip for. Okay. Ladies, it's still wet. Still very wet. Now, I told that because my hair is so coarse, you really don't want water to sit on it. We really don't. We really just don't. But everybody was like, add water. Add water. Add water. All right. I'm not... Ow. You should hear all the gunfire of my son playing Fortnite. Can you hear it? Okay. Okay. My son said he's going gangster style. Whatever that means. I'm going to get in there and watch him. Okay. Now see? The extreme. See what the extreme does, family? See what that extreme did? We have different type of hair. We just do. Oh, I see something. I see something. Okay, we got it. We got it. See, I was very impressed with the extreme. Extreme. With, now here's what I'm thinking. We're going to grab each one of these and make, yeah, ringlets throughout. And style it. Get back with you. So when you have real 4C, not 4B, as we said, negroid hair, you need that extreme gel to come behind it and help. So we've got, I see something, but also back here where there's not gray, we're going to add the extreme. We've already put the, and look at God. Let's comb it down. And that's when I say that this with this works. $3.99. So that gives me everything coming. I just got 100 V-Bucks. And so, oh, good. I'm going to style it. He got 100 V-Bucks. I'm going to hang out with him. And because the curl pattern on the gray is different, but we just got to work a little magic on the end with the help of the extreme. Yes. Yes. Here's thumbnail. Yes. We did it, y'all. So we needed, of course, like you said, everybody recommended the. We're getting there. We're getting there. All my girls are on the cute couch. I'm just waking up. Face still puffy. Okay, let's get off. Finger coiled the hair last night for the style. And let's see what we get. Again, using just the lustersilk. And just my extreme, which is extremely heavy. And then goes. Oh. I always think it looks great, but it looks more like Fred Sanford. But we're gonna pull this out and see how we can style this up. I even held on to a pattern through the night, so that's impressive. I don't know about the back, but we will coffee first. Love you, cute cat sisters. My girls are on the cute cat. Okay, you guys, this is what we've got. I probably want to clip off some of my permed ends that we can still see are there. We finger coiled it. Curl, I believe, really added a lot of definition to my coils. We use the curl back here. It's still a lot of moisture. Very sticky, like my Joan Crawfords. So we're just going to give my hair some shine. Hopefully, not much shine happens with my hair. It just doesn't. Hot 6 oil. lift and style. Again, the bonnet stayed on last night. That's a miracle. I'll oil my legs with this. Whatever's left over, just oil your legs, child. Okay. Politely lifting. Give me the S curl. It worked. Hold on. Coils. The S curl gave it some definition. Be platinum. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. You see how I'm just gray in the front? At least I can wear my afro out. We have trimmed it. I got back here. But the transition's been fun. I'm looking all right. I'm looking all right. I'm looking all right. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for fellowshipping. Thank you for leaving a comment. And here at CarterEats, we're always willing to try a new product. Anybody's willing to send me anything they want for me to sample, see if it'll work on my seriously see hair. And I'm quite pleased today. And thank you, Faye in the City, for bringing this back out, for all your success on your channel, and encouraging me to do a video with it. So we did it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.